Alright. I might have just made a video saying I was gonna go out in the pasture, but I did not see that it was raining outside. Yeah, like it's raining. Y'all can see the pool and that like it's wet. Crap, I was really focused. Still, it's gonna be half scream. And then I'm gonna go over there in the shop because I'm gonna go try to make our little mascot cage, and I haven't really been talking about it. Mascot, yeah, y'all probably think of what the fuck? And man, what the fuck is a mascot cage? And I'm fixing to show y'all out there. See you guys. Alright, I fixing to tell y'all what a mascot cage is. Mel here, out in the shop, and okay. These are the stuff I'm gonna be making it with. Hopefully, I don't have to go all the way back out there to go get my at least one more piece of wood. Oh my god, dude, it's raining like shit. Okay, I need to go get like I don't know what it's called. I need a drill or something to do this with. Dude, it's freaking thundering in here. Holy crap. Oh, I thought that was a freaking Rolex. What the frick is this? What? It's a cat. It's a cat. What the fudge? It's backwards on the screen. Oh god, I almost fell. Fudge. Where's he put his freaking thing at? I was looking for this yesterday and I forgot where he put it. Oh my god. Fudge, motherfucker. I don't know where else it could be. It has to be in here because it's not out there. Alright, I'm just gonna go in there, go make a Minecraft video. God damn it. God, I really wanted to show y'all what the fucking mascot cage look like. Okay, so mascot cage, let me talk about it with you right whenever I get in the house after this storming freaking weather. I need to put my hood on, and he locked the motherfucking door. But still, he locked the back door. Who in the world will lock the freaking back door? Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell y'all this. I got two new things. Got Outlamer and Nether Tamer 510, but that used to be my old one. Actually, yeah. Those two have done enough. I think that was a little bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, y'all probably don't care. Gotta get logged into Outlamer. Yeah, I should make a toe gaming, gecko gaming, but I'm like, fuck, it takes so damn long. Yeah, it took me like 2 hours to do that, because I couldn't figure the freaking stuff out. Look, no, put it in the blue one, don't you? Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the blue one. Y'all can see that perfect. Minecraft before. Fuck it, Minecraft. Okay, I gotta take my freaking jacket off. Controller is disconnected. Alright, what do you want to do? Survival craft. I'll just do survival craft and then. Oh crap, that hurt my shoulder. Oh, I sat in my chair. That did not feel freaking good. Alright, I sat in my chair and it went like this. Like that, and it hit my shoulder. Oh my god, it freaking hurts. Alright. Now let's turn it around. I could do it faster than that. Turn it around. Ooh, that was actually pretty cool, wasn't it? Oh no. Oh my god, that was actually perfect. Fuck it, I'm just getting y'all back up here. I can't zoom in on this. Can I zoom on this shit? Alright. I will be right back after just like not even a second break. I'm gonna get in. Survival craft, okay? Getting into survival craft. Let's make sure that's good. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. That's good right there. Even if y'all can't see it, I'll just edit it anyway. Oh, guys, if y'all can see this right here, Shark 5 sword, wherever Gecko tries to attack me, she won't be able to attack me. Okay, for one, I need to get that. Sharpness sword. This might be a little bit better for you guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, but that's perfect. Yeah, that's a little bit better for me too. It's gonna make me go to sleep. Can I show you the subscriber wall I made? Sub wall. Gecko. Toad. Mom. BB. 092 Fish. 09 Thick Boy. Yo, yeah, take my stuff, you got it. Wait, oh, mom's briefing isn't on yet. Alright, well, let's go, Skelly Bob. X-Blaze! And just like this. And oh my god, okay. I'm gonna see you guys next time, maybe make another video too. I can't freaking kill this tame dog. I'll hit you with my pickaxe. Come on. That's what I thought. Yay. I can't put my freaking bed down. Sit there. Alright. I will see you guys next time, I guess. Bye, guys. Love y'all. Did I forget to say bye? Bye, guys.